In this video, I'll show you how to quickly convert a JPEG image to a PNG format on your Mac. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It helps more people discover this video. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps in this easy process. Let's get started. I've got a JPEG image saved on my desktop that I want to convert to a PNG. This process works for any JPEG file, whether it's a photo, a screenshot, or any other type of image. Converting to PNG is useful because PNG files support transparency and provide better image quality for certain tasks like web design or graphic work. To begin, locate your JPEG image. Right-click on the file, hover over Open With, and select Preview from the options. This will open your image in Preview, which is the default image viewer on macOS and a great tool for converting image formats. Once the image is open in Preview, go to the top menu bar and click File, then select Export from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear. In this window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Format. Click on it and select PNG. Next, choose where to save the converted file. You can save it in the same location as the original image or pick a new folder, like your desktop. After selecting your preferred location, click Save to complete the conversion. To verify, navigate to the location where you saved the PNG file. You can rename the file by clicking on it once, pressing Return, typing a new name, and pressing Return again. And that's it. Converting a JPEG to a PNG on Mac is that simple, thanks to the built-in Preview app. If this guide helped you, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next video.